Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about Belladonna and Bryonia differentiation. Because this both have so much of similarities, so I thought of doing the comparison between both of them. Belladonna is affection is from the right side and it affects the right lung, and in Bryonia also there is right lung affection. There is intense dryness all over the body in the belladonna. Even in the bryonia, you can see that there is so much of dryness. Cannot bear least jar. Not so sensitive to the least jar. Instant heat, throbbing and burning. Not present. Cannot lie on the inflamed part, relieved by lying on the inflamed part because the pressure amelioration is there in bryonia. Thank you so much. Myself, Dr. Mega from Homeopathic Clinic.